What's up, y'all? This is CJ, and I'm gonna be unboxing the new Solid Tactical 50 cal or M2A1 and 30 cal M19A1 Solid Tactical ammo can. These are brand new ammo cans now for sale on Walmart.com. You can also check them out on Amazon.com, but I got a great Black Friday special on these things, and so we're gonna unbox them and check them out. Got it in the Walmart.com. They're really giving Amazon a run for their money. Packaging, got the 2-day WFS Walmart free shipping. So let's check them out. So Walmart did a pretty good job packaging these, putting a little bit of space filler here. This is gonna be our 30 cal, and these are gonna be our 50 cal. So let's check them out and we'll see what they're like. All right, this is, man, really high quality build. You know, I've read a lot of reviews on these on Amazon, and most of the time, whenever you buy a 50 cal or 30 cal military grade ammo can, it's going to be repurposed and repainted. But these are brand new. They're designed here in the USA. These are the actual NATO spec ammo cans. And you know, one of the coolest things about these is they are airtight and waterproof. So if you look on here, there's going to be this this rubber seal. And these actually can be submerged in water and completely waterproof. We got the Solid Tactical right here with Daniel Saul, the owner, for any questions. And every single can includes a DESICCANT, which keeps that moisture out in those more humid conditions, because you don't want your ammo or anything that you put in here rusting. So, man, this is a really great build. Comes. There you go. This is nice. Don't see any rust on this can. Really well done, painted powder coat job. It's this matte black finish, and man, really solid box. This thing is sweet. Check out the let's check out the 30 cal ammo can, which is the little brother to this ammo can. If you see, this is gonna hold any standard 30 caliber bullet, your 30-06, your 30-30, your 308. And again, we got also a promo in here for the new target stands, which shoot both steel and paper targets. One of the only target stands on the market that actually does this. Again, includes the DESICCANT here in this 30 caliber ammo can. Again, don't see any rust. Really well built. Airtight, watertight, just like the bigger brother here. And then you don't even just have to use this for ammo. You could use this for anything that you want to store. You ladies out there that got your she shed and want to store anything that needs to be well organized, these are great lifelong storage containers. These ammo cans, Solid Tactical currently is the only people selling the matte black powder coat finish. There's also a dark earth. And then there's also a OD green. So great ammo cans. If you haven't already, pick you some of these up while supplies last, because they're going fast. All right, part two. Didn't add this in the first video, but these lids actually come off. So if you've got the can where the handle and the opener is on the right side of you or facing towards you, if you kind of turn it about 90 degrees and you pop it, the lid actually comes off, which is pretty cool. This is a 50 cal here, and then it also does the same thing on the 30 cal. So the handle's facing toward you, just pop it at 90 degrees, it comes right off. It's pretty cool. I guess it's, you know, helpful whenever you're trying to load a box for those handles to come off, and then they just slide right back on here. If it's a little bit sticky at first, like this one was, it's probably because the powder coat job is so good. But anyways, there you go.